YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about corn. How does corn produce the grain or seed? Now, there are processes that involve in this production in the corn. This is the female part of the body of the corn, and this female, it has what we call silk. So this is the silk of the corn. Now this is the flower of the corn. This is what produces the grain or the seed. Now it is very important to know the function of this also, or this also. This is play a very vital role in corn production or in the grain production. Now, here, what happened is that this is the male part of the corn. And this part of the corn, the element here is pollen. Now, the pollen will now, there will be cross pollination, and the agent that is responsible are flies and insects and bee that cross pollinated into this place. Now, once the cross pollination take place or is completed, it will started producing the 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 grain or seed. Now, the silk of this corn um, is the beautiful part of the corn that we see. We call it silk, and this is the flower. So there will be cross pollination into this place, and as soon as it's completed, you will see the silk. You will see the corn as seeds completed. Now, something happened when the process is not completed. Sometimes you will buy a corn, you see some corn has no seed complete and the corn. The reason is that when the pollination is not completed, this can take place. This can happen. A corn will not have seeds completely. Two, when you cut this part off from the corn, from this maize, then the pollination will be very difficult to be completed, and therefore it can cause lack of complete seed in the corn. And I want us to know more about one very important thing. So I found out that farmers do cut or remove this part. Some they will remove it at the early stage. Please, farmer, do not remove this at the early stage, because it has a very vital, important role that it plays in the female part. Do not remove the male part quickly, because it has a very vital role that it plays in the male part, which is the silk, and it flowers. These are the flowers of the corn. So once the pollination is completed, you will see the corn is completed and looking very beautiful. Now, lastly, I want to talk about one part that we normally see in the corn. Have you ever seen a corn with so many color, beautiful color? Some you see a white color with multiple red, or you see a, a yellow color, a yellow corn. You see a yellow corn with a multiple colors, or white corn with a multiple color. So there's something that happens. In the next video, we want to know or want to understand the reason why this thing happened. Thank you, and see you next time. Please always like my videos, like, share, and we'll see next time. Thank you.